Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster border city. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2017 Ford Fiesta SE with a 201A package. The exterior color is magnetic, and under the hood we have a 1.6-liter engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. At the front we have halogen high and low beam headlights, as well as daytime running lights. Over at the side we have our 15-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in Hankook tires. We also have color matched mirror caps and door handles. At the rear window, we have an embedded defroster with a wiper blade attached. This Ford Fiesta also comes with remote start. At the interior, we have loads of driver-friendly features, including tons of door storage, as well as power locks, power windows, and power adjustable mirrors that are also heated. Over at the steering column, we have our automatic headlamp dial, and we have a tilt steering wheel with our entertainment and hands-free controls located on the left. And over at the right, we have our cruise control settings. Up above, we have our rearview mirror with the cabin lights that provide ambient lighting. And as we look down at our interior, we have our beautiful gray seating that comes with fully adjustable seats. And as we look ahead, you'll see we have 45,895 kilometers on this beautiful Ford Fiesta. And as we look ahead, you'll see we have our Sync LCD display, which allows for audio control, phone connectivity. And down below, we have our sync controls, as well as we have our climate control area, which includes air conditioning and heating for the entire cabin. Driver and passenger can also enjoy heated seats. We have a console gear shift with select shift option for the driver, dual cup holders with ambient lighting underneath, and a center console that provides tons of storage. At the rear, passengers can enjoy power windows, as well as storage in the rear of our driver and passenger seating. Our 60/40 seat leaves tons of headspace and loads of legroom for 3 passengers to enjoy. If there are any more questions about this beautiful Ford Fiesta, please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. I'd also like to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.